Nothing Phone 1 is finally on sale, and it's the iPhone 14 for those who can't wait. TechRadar. After months of hype and marketing, the Nothing Phone 1 is finally on sale. This is the first Android phone from a company called Weirdly Nothing, and it's been a modest hit with reviewers. In our own review, we said it had been made using more than just a checklist of Me Too features, with a rear design unlike anything else on the market, features, like the glyph interface lighting on its back, that offer intrigue and whimsy, and an otherwise well-rounded and capable set of features and hardware, and awarded it 4 out of 5 stars. Well, the handset is now on sale. You can pick it up from Amazon. Opens a new tab. It costs £399/469 Australian dollars, so it's fairly affordable as smartphones go, though do note that it's not going on sale in the US. The phone has some high-end specs that make that price sound quite surprising. It has a FHD plus 120Hz display, and 2 rear 50MP cameras, for example. It does have some cut corners to justify that lower cost though, like its mid-range chipset and smaller battery. Analysis. An iPhone 14 for those who can't wait. If you're interested in buying the new iPhone 14 but don't want to wait for ages until it launches, or want an Android equivalent, the Nothing Phone 1 could be a good alternative. The device has a similar design to Apple's recent mobiles, with flat angular edges, and offers a somewhat comparable photography experience, with a main and ultra-wide angle on the back. Sure, the Nothing handset runs Android while the iPhone has iOS, and this will likely be the most noticeable difference for most people. But we also imagine that the iPhone's starting price will be a lot higher than the Nothing Phone 1's, which may sway some buyers. We don't know much about the iPhone 14 just yet, because it's expected to launch in mid-September, and we can't properly compare the phones until then. But we can compare the Nothing Phone 1 to the iPhone 13, and they do have a lot in common.